Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and assembly video. I'm checking out this rotating bookshelf. This is a 3-tier Allstand bookshelf. All right, well, here it is, all finished, and it rotates nicely here. Holds a lot of books. You got smaller books or large books. It just holds a lot and conveniently rotates also. Looks pretty nice and also holds I don't know how many could go in here. Probably put DVDs and what else also, but very convenient and quite a space saver, as this maximizes this space right here and looks pretty nice as well. So thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day and we'll see you next time.